Pass the phone to someone who slept with 14 girls in one night.
I'm passing the phone to someone who loves sucking her own toes.
Pass the phone to someone who loves tiny men.
Pass the phone to someone that slept with a footballer.
Pass the phone to someone who sleeps with men in front of their husband.
You grab the girls and you grab a couple more, and you all can meet me in the middle of a floor. So the air is thick, it's smelling right. So the glass to the left. Let's talk it. Let's talk it. My love is mine, all mine.
Knock, knock, Puddin'. Say hello to your new, improved Harley Quinn.
Toe fetish. Feet fetish. Yes. I am opposite. Don't fucking touch my feet.
Oh my god. Give me a good little toe sucker. You like foot rubs?
I love foot rubs.
So like think about a foot rub, but then like spicing it up a little bit, you know, like just a little wet little toe suck, you know, like.
Okay, I might be able to get down.
Okay.
Beat that boy with